Cleaning your home does not have to feel like a never-ending chore. With the latest electric spin scrubbers, you can cut your cleaning time in half while getting better results with less effort. In this video, we are counting down the 5 best electric spin scrubbers of 2026 that make every corner of your home shine with ease. Number 5. 3-in-1 Multifunctional Scrubber. If you are looking for a compact yet highly versatile cleaning tool, the 3-in-1 Multifunctional Scrubber is a great place to start. Designed to handle multiple areas of your home, it works effectively in the kitchen, bedroom, toilet, and living room. This makes it an all-in-one solution for everyday cleaning tasks. One of its biggest advantages is its USB rechargeable feature. You can charge it almost anywhere, which adds convenience and eliminates the need to constantly replace batteries. This is especially useful when you are moving from room to room during a cleaning session. The compact design ensures easy storage, while the ergonomic handle keeps your grip comfortable. Even during longer cleaning sessions, it reduces strain on your hands and wrists, making the process less tiring overall. Durability is another strong point. Built with high-quality materials, this scrubber is designed to withstand regular use. You can rely on it for consistent performance over time without worrying about wear and tear. Using it is incredibly simple. With just one click, the brush starts spinning with a powerful full-circle rotation that removes stubborn dirt and grime. It comes with 3 different brush heads, allowing you to clean everything from bathtubs and sinks to windows and tables. Pros: compact and portable, easy one-click operation, multiple brush heads for versatility. Cons: less powerful than higher-end models, smaller size may require more passes. Number 4. Electric Spin Scrubber. This electric spin scrubber is built for power and efficiency, making it ideal for tackling tough stains around your home. Its strong built-in motor replaces the need for traditional scrubbing, allowing you to clean faster and with far less effort. The lightweight design ensures a comfortable experience, especially when cleaning large surfaces like bathroom tiles or kitchen counters. Simply apply your favorite cleaning solution beforehand and let the brush do the hard work. What really makes this scrubber stand out is its variety of accessories. It includes 5 interchangeable brush heads designed for different cleaning needs. The flat brush works well on floors and bathtubs, while the corner brush gets into tight spaces like grout and edges. You also get a scouring pad for kitchen grease and a sponge for glass surfaces. Switching between these brush heads is quick and easy, making your cleaning routine more efficient. The device is powered by a high-capacity battery with a Type-C charging port, delivering up to 2 hours of continuous cleaning after a full charge. To get the best performance, it is recommended to fully charge the scrubber before first use. Once charged, it offers consistent and powerful cleaning performance across various surfaces. Pros: strong motor for deep cleaning, multiple brush heads included, long battery life. Cons: slightly bulkier design, needs full charge for best performance. Number 3. Multifunctional Electric Cleaning Brush. The multifunctional electric cleaning brush is designed for those who want a simple yet effective solution for everyday cleaning. It handles dishes, pots, pans, and more, making it a versatile tool for your kitchen and beyond. One of its most appealing features is the wireless handheld design. Without cords getting in your way, you can easily move around and reach tight or awkward spaces. This makes cleaning more flexible and less frustrating. Despite its compact size, it is equipped with a powerful motor that removes stubborn stains with ease. Whether it is grease on cookware or dirt on surfaces, this brush delivers impressive results without requiring heavy effort. Another advantage is its environmentally friendly design. By reducing the need for excessive water and harsh scrubbing, it helps you maintain a cleaner home while being mindful of the planet. The entire body is waterproof, allowing you to use it safely in wet conditions like sinks and bathrooms. With just one click, you can start cleaning instantly, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing and protecting your hands from strain. Pros: wireless and easy to handle, waterproof for safe use, eco-friendly cleaning option. Cons: fewer attachments included, not ideal for heavy-duty cleaning. Number 2. 4-in-1 electric cleaning brush. The 4-in-1 electric cleaning brush is built for versatility and convenience. As the name suggests, it is designed to clean multiple surfaces, making it a practical addition to any home. Its USB charging feature allows you to power it up without needing a fixed outlet. This gives you the flexibility to charge it wherever it is most convenient. The automatic handheld design makes cleaning effortless. You do not need to apply excessive pressure or lift heavy objects. Just hold the brush and let it do the work for you. This scrubber is especially useful for both kitchen and bathroom tasks. From removing stubborn grime to cleaning delicate surfaces, it handles a wide range of cleaning challenges effectively. It comes with 4 interchangeable brush heads, each designed for specific tasks. Whether you are cleaning a bathtub, sink, or glass surface, there is a suitable attachment ready to go. The powerful motor ensures that dirt, dust, and even burnt residue are removed quickly. Operation is simple, with a one-button start, making it accessible for anyone to use without complications. Pros: multiple brush heads included, easy to use and lightweight, suitable for various surfaces. Cons: average power compared to premium models, may require frequent charging. Number 1. Xiaomi Electric Cleaning Brush. Taking the top spot is the Xiaomi Electric Cleaning Brush, a powerful and reliable tool designed to simplify your cleaning routine. It is especially effective for kitchens and bathrooms where stubborn dirt often builds up. This scrubber features a built-in, rechargeable battery that delivers long-lasting performance. With advanced waterproof technology, you can safely use it in wet environments without any concerns. Its high-torque motor provides strong cleaning power, allowing it to run continuously for up to 2 hours. The dual speed settings give you flexibility, whether you need gentle cleaning or more intense scrubbing for tough stains. The device includes 3 interchangeable brush heads. The dome brush is perfect for curved surfaces like bathtubs, while the flat brush works well on tiles and floors. The cloth brush is ideal for polishing and drying flat surfaces, making it useful across different areas of your home. It also features safety enhancements like leakage protection, ensuring stable performance during use. With Type-C fast charging, you can quickly recharge and get back to cleaning without long waits. Pros: strong motor with dual speeds, excellent waterproof protection, long battery life. Cons: slightly higher price, limited brush head options compared to some competitors. Choosing the right electric spin scrubber can completely transform how you clean your home. Whether you want something compact or heavy-duty, there is an option here for you. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which scrubber you would pick.